Kwabatira kwa njata ya kiutetia uria urari munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua kuonekete ta gutumurite gwana hahu nyingi kuri aria mari utongoria-ini wa bururi. Thirikari yonekete kwagagio ni uge wa Gachagua uria uthiete na mbere kweyenjera mirimu ingi-ini. Riri ngumo ya thirikari ithiete na mbere na kuhwererekera. Gitaru kia Mount Kenya kiria kirari gituge kinene kia uteti kuri President Ruto gikioneka kumurira na gusharia mwerekera ungi. Mishemanio ya ica ikuhi ya mucii gwake wa Munyoro iria akoretwo agitavania o muthenya na atongoria a ikiro ngurani ikionania uge wa Gachagua uteti-ini wa kirima uthiete na mbere na kunyita thinga. Kuhagurwo gwake kuria kwari na itanya ria kumunina kiuteti kugarurukite na guthimida itemi riake ta muteti uri na uge munene na urathikiririo ni muingi na atongoria ngurani, na uguo njata ya kiuteti igathie na mbere na gucangarara. Itemi-ini ria kunyihia uge wake kirima-ini mumurigithathi akoretwo akiarira ndama cia kumutunyukithia uge uria ari naguo ihinda-ini riri na itanya ria gucokia kirima kuri President William Ruto. Kuma ayukia giturwa kia munini wa President Kithure Kindiki akinyithitie maguru make giteru-ini kia Mount Kenya maita matatu. Rita ria mbere ari kaunti-ini ya Embu magiri-ini ma kuhoreria urugari wa kiuteti thutha wa ikari kurega guthikiriria ndumiriri ya President William Ruto mathiko-ini ma mwanake wa uria wari senator wa Embu Lenny Kivuti guku akionania ndwara ciake cia kiuteti na gukirira Rigathi na njira nene.
Mimi heshima zote nimekupatia, but you must also respect me. Sababu mimi naona mahali tunaendelea kuna mahali tunataka kufika.
Ria keri kuoneka kirima-ini ni kaunti ya Nyeri kuria arari kuruguria utambia wa thitima gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kieni magiri-ini ma kwendia ngumo ya President William Ruto na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Renda tweririkanie uria twaugaga tugika siasa, twaugaga Ruto Ruto Ruto, tucokere ugo tucokere Ruto 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 Ruto, tumaririkanie kwamba sisi wote hatutoki kwa serikali na tutakaa kwa serikali.
Athathauri a maundu mengi uteti maugite kwaga kuoneka gwake kirima-ini kuhete Rigathi ihinda riganu ria kweyenjera miri na kunyihia uge na wetikiriku wa Kindiki kirima-ini. No ciuria cia niki kingituma Kindiki age gucera kirima-ini maita maingi ikiaga anja.
Muthomi Njuki enda ambia deputy president awache uoga, hajafika hata nyumbani ati atatolewa. Kwani akitolewa Gachagua amekufa? He has never come home. Tuambie ukweli, sababu anaambiwa usiende mlimani, wewe kazi yako ni kuunganisha Kenya. How can you unite Kenya when you have not united your home?
Ihenya-ini ria kugeria kuonania uge wake na kuha aikari ya kirima-ini, Kindiki ni ambiririe guthagania mishemanio ya kiuteti iria arahariria wabici-ini yake mwena wa Karen igiri-ini ria kuhetana na mishemanio ya muthemba ta uyu iria iratavanio o gwakia itura-ini ria wa Munyoro.
There was somebody in this office, today is not here. Now he is giving us ultimatum from funerals. How he will make William Ruto a one-term president, as if that is an achievement.
Ngurani na mishemanio ya wa Munyoro iria ikoretwo ikirurumura ndereti na mawoni ngurani, mishemanio ya Kindiki yonekete ari ya kuonania icoka ciake cia kiuteti kuria akoretwo agiukirira Gachagua.
There is a difference between leadership and populism. Populism is what some friends of ours call listening to the ground. Unasikiza raia. Unajua raia, you know, people are created. God created people to be led. God instituted leadership. You cannot be led by the people. If you're being led by the people, you have no business then calling yourself a leader. You are a follower of the people.
Ona gutuika akoretwo akiuga ndari mashindano-ini ma uteti uria werekeirio githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027. Mishemanio ya Kindiki makiria na ikundi cia kuma gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya itauritwo tari igeria ria gwikira president kabeini indi kahananio na ndereti cia kwarira uthii wa na mbere.
So usitutishe ati rais a one-term president. Pia watu wengine wanatutisha huko jana ati our job is to make sure William Ruto is a one-term president. That is your objective. Hiyo tu. Just that. And you will have achieved a lot.
Urugari wa kiuteti ugithie na mbere na kwabatira kirima-ini ndama cia kiuteti iria Kindiki ararira irarumirirwo na kinyi arikionereria kia uria president arashora gwicokeria kirima-ini na gwake kiria githiete na mbere na kumuraihiriria o gwake.
Populist leaders are everywhere. Watu wa kutafuta makofi, mimi nimeshangiliwa, mimi nini, and they are leading people into darkness. They are destroying, the future and the destiny of a nation, the destiny of communities.
Kibarua kinene kiria ari nakio ni kunyihia uge wa Rigathi kirima-ini riri migwe yake uteti iria akoretwo akimuikiria yonekete kwaga ururu. Riri uge wa Rigathi uroneka kwambatira o gwake.
Well, you can impeach him, but people have declared him the people's deputy president. And you can see everywhere he goes, he is being treated as such. My brother, march on. Talk to Kenyans everywhere. Uge wa Gachagua ugithie na mbere na kwambatira na igeria ria Kindiki gucokia kirima kuri President Ruto. No mahinda na thiko igutwithania mwerekera uria kirima gikuoya mbere ya githurano giukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.